Amount YouTube pays for 1,000 views, often referred to as CPM or cost per mily, can vary widely depending on several factors. These factors include the region of the viewers, the ad format, the type of content, the viewer demographics, and the time of year, among others. Additionally, YouTube's ad revenue model is not solely based on views. Factors such as viewer engagement, ad click-through rates, and ad relevance also play a role. On average, YouTubers can expect to earn anywhere from $1 to $10 per 1,000 views. However, this is just an approximate range, and some videos may earn significantly more or less. For example, if a video tracks a lot of high-value ads or targets an audience in countries where ad rates are higher, the CPM could be on the higher end. It's important to note that YouTube takes a percentage of the ad revenue, and creators typically receive around 55% of the total revenue generated by ads on their videos. The remaining 45% goes to YouTube. To get a more accurate estimate of potential earnings, creators can use YouTube's analytics and revenue reports to see how their specific videos are performing in terms of ad revenue. Keep in mind that the YouTube Partner Program YLIP and eligibility requirements might change over time, so it's essential to stay updated with YouTube's policies and guidelines.